Hey everyone, if you recently installed an aftermarket Android CarPlay radio in your car and your reverse camera feed looks scrambled or distorted, don't worry, I ran into the same issue. In this short video, I'll show you the quick fix. I've already done a full install video of this Android head unit in my 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and I'll leave that link in the description, or I can pop it up right here on the screen if you want to check it out in detail. Here's what the scrambled reverse camera feed looks like right after installation. And here's the fix. First, you go into Settings and find the menu labeled Factory Settings. In most of the cases, these are going to be password protected. The passcode on my unit was 8888, but other common ones are 4 zeros, 1617, 1234, or 3368. Inside, look for the camera section. Find the reverse camera input. It's usually labeled as channel 0 or something similar, as you can see here. Change it to CVBS. After that, hit the back button and reboot your radio. After it reboots, that's it. Your camera feed should now look clean and clear. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. And check out the main install video for the full walkthrough. Link is in the description. Thank you very much.